This is a DDAmanda update video on conservative broadcast media and journalism. Symbol CBMJ, conservative broadcast media journalism. Anyway, we had a good day today. In fact, a fantastic day. She is up 65%. Look at that. On very little traded. 162,000 shares, about $52,000 traded. And this one first got our attention here on 118 with this, seven, uh, that's a 100-day low right here. And then 2 days later, she had a 117 factor. And what they've done is, let's click on the news button here. Look at the news and see what is driving this baby. Here it is here on 111. CBMJ launches Patriot TV, patriot.tv. Isn't that a hell of a name? I mean, the domain says it. They've got Patriot TV in the domain. That's amazing. So they launched this new Patriot TV streaming exclusive for conservative audiences. And boy, we really need it. Do we ever? We need some sanity from all the, to counter all this absolute lunacy in Washington. I mean, those guys are stone cold nuts. They're crazier than a shithouse rat there. Our whole country's going to shit. We've got 30 million illegal alien invaders into the country, given $150 billion to Ukraine, another 17 billion they want to give to Israel. I mean, it's just insanity. You got homeless people on every street corner. Veterans need help, and it's just insane what they're doing. So anyway, yeah, conservative news, baby. So they launched this daily content from the CBMJ library, and so that was one news. And then the next one was, oh, I closed the window. Let's go back. They also, what they did is they hired Michael J. Flynn, right here. He was a security advisor for Trump and very well known, a real cool guy. The FBI framed him. There's a bunch of bullshit there, but anyway, so he's on board, and he's bringing a lot of his connections with him, I think. So I'm waiting who's next. I'm waiting for Tucker Carlson to join the board, to tell you the truth. And that should really blow up. All right, but anyway, today, so what happened today? Today. New high, 200-day high, 40 cents, babe. Closed at the high a day, too. 65% up. So we've got pretty heavy position in this. We're in at 19, 18, that area. And we're hoping for more good things. And look at this. Look at this drag ratio. 25. I've hardly ever see a drag ratio this high. Well, this means that, resistance to her going up is 25 times less than resistance going down. Like here. The resistance today was 8. That was the up drag, right? 4 days ago, when she had a tiny little drop, the resistance to her going down was 204. So there's where you get your 25 from. Divide 8 into 204. So anyways, a good update today. 87 RSI. That's, up there, but not too crazy. Not on social media. Not on breakout boards yet. So hoping for a lot more good days here. And at least bust a buck. Jesus. Okay, guys, that's it. I just wanted to post a quick update here, and we're all pretty excited about this baby. Alright, have a good rest of the evening, and thank you for watching. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.